We're going to do bang bang chicken here on. So here we go.
Before we get started, Tom,
Uh-huh.
I was in the food industry for my whole career.
Uh-huh.
And one thing we learned was you always got to be food safety. So to keep from getting hair in the food, you need to have a cover. So now we can start. But
I don't think we have that problem.
you don't think that's going to work? That's going to help?
I think you have less of a chance than me.
I'm just trying.
Okay, so here we go.
Hey, don't touch me.
So we have here 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. And we have
It's paprika. Chili powder?
paprika.
Okay.
How much is in there? Tablespoon and a half?
Mm-hmm.
Tablespoon and a half. And 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And is it 1 1/2 or 1?
No, just one. Garlic.
Just 1 of garlic powder. And then we have an entire teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper going in here. And then we're gonna mix it up.
That's what the gloves for.
I'm gonna cover my meat mittens this time.
So what I get to do making this recipe,
You got the skewers, don't you? We get it all.
stinks.
Get it. I showered. I normally make this out of chicken thighs, but the recipe says chicken breast, so I
I
did.
would use thighs too.
Yeah, they got more flavor.
Mom would like it better. Mom likes that.
Okay. Mom always liked you better.
So,
Yeah.
not more tolerable maybe, but I like it better.
You were more tolerable. Alrighty then.
What do you want me to do?
Put them on the skewer.
You got any vegetables in it? Stuff good
Nope.
between it? No.
This is bang bang chicken, not bang bang vegetables.
chicken.
Vegetables taste like sad.
What's that?
Vegetables taste like sad. I have no idea how many skewers this is going to make. I don't know if we're going to fill all these skewers up. So you might want to stop at a certain point and then just start rethinking.
I was gonna try to measure.
Yeah.
But you said we're gonna set it in a pan like that.
Uh-huh. I don't like wooden skewers. They have a tendency to burn.
That's why you soak them first.
I never had any luck with that. They always burn for me. What do you think?
One too many of them.
I got 1 too few.
Might end up with one of the skewers having that.
Yeah. You think we're going to use both skewers?
Quit crowding me.
Sorry. You think we're going to use both of the skewers?
Yeah, we got quite a few left in there. What's that mean?
Star Wars.
Why do you celebrate the May the 4th?
Because my kitty is named Darth. So may the 4th be with you.
So you celebrate?
Well, he celebrates.
Well,
He's 8.
I won't be able to celebrate with him.
He's 8.
I can't celebrate because I still haven't gotten over the for the 20th yet.
420?
I haven't gotten over for the 20th yet, so I can't celebrate
What's the 20th?
for the 20th. Come on, Tom. You make stoner food and you don't know what for the 20th.
Well, yeah, but I didn't know if everybody else was aware of it.
They celebrate. How many you got?
That many?
How many you got left? Give me another one here. These look nasty.
Apparently when we cook them, they go look better.
All right, that's all. Now we did.
There's one more.
Yeah, you can get that on there. That's this little tiny little.
I
piece.
know. Waste not one. There's two in there actually. Look, it fell apart. Ow. It fell apart. Put it on there. What are you doing? Oh. Well, we got something else to go on there for this.
Waste not one.
We got sauce to make.
Can I take my gloves off?
Yes, you can. So the instructions say to bake this, I don't know if I set the temperature right, but let's see. It says preheat to 400. My oven is preheated to 350. So we're going to put them in there at 350. And while they're in the oven, we're going to start making sauce. So y'all hang in there. We'll be right back. Not stopping anything. Let's just go. Grab this chickie. Throw it in the oven. Check that thermometer while you're there, Randy.
What are we doing now?
So, the instructions say, ooh,
Back.
that's just water. The instructions say that now we are supposed to make the sauce. The sauce is the quick part. So we need 1 cup of mayonnaise. I brought this for that.
Whiskey.
Brought this for the 1 cup of mayonnaise. I get to play with the whisk. Give me whisk. And a 1/4 cup.
Tom invited me to come visit him today. He didn't tell me to put me to work.
Hey, it's family.
Put the hat on again.
Going to need a 1/4 cup of that.
Want a whole cup of this?
Yes, 1
What
whole
kind of
cup.
mayonnaise is this, Tom?
That would be Duke's.
That would be the only kind of mayonnaise there is right there.
That would be, oh, I've heard enough people tell me that. 2½ tablespoons of honey. This is good old-fashioned Happy Acres honey, which is what my parents' house is called. Two and a half tablespoons of honey. Don't eat all the mayo.
You need a spoon again?
Not now. I'm going to need, though, a 1/4 cup, I think it was, a 1/4 cup of the chili sauce.
Done ruin that cup too. I'll be right back.
You licked in the cup?
Yes.
What's a 1/2 cup? And a 1/2.
Sorry. Right in front of the thing. Tom might edit that out.
And again, I might not.
This stuff's some good stuff here. I gotta shake it up real good. How much you want?
1/2 cup. Okay. 3 teaspoons.
A little bit in that mayonnaise cup right there.
3 teaspoons of Sriracha. 3 teaspoons.
Sriracha. We gotta try this stuff here.
What do you think?
It's pretty good. Is that real hot?
What, Sriracha?
Yeah.
No.
I don't believe this Bang Bang chicken's gonna be real hot because this isn't real hot.
No.
That's good. Good stuff.
Sorry. 2.
Should I try that too?
Sure. Hang on. I need 1 more. Make me lose count.
That's 5, isn't it?
Mm.
Like I tell,
It's 5
my
minus
sister
2.
Lisa all the time when she's cooking, just put some in there. Oh, goodness.
And then 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Rice vinegar.
I don't want to try that.
No?
No.
It's tart. Is that a little warm?
It's good.
A little warm?
No, it's fine.
All right. Close.
You know what it tastes like?
Sriracha.
Nope. Nice ice cold Rolling Rock.
All
Now
right.
you whiskey.
Yes, I am. And the instructions say to leave some back for dipping. So I have a bowl here that I guess I'm going to leave some back for dipping. I'll drip on it.
Thanks. It's nasty.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really? So should we throw it all out?
No, you started, didn't you? Might as well finish it.
Okay. I was save this for like secret sauce on burgers. Kind of looks like it. All right. So now we have to wait for the chicken to get done. We're going to clean this place up, and we'll be back in just a little bit. Hang in there. And we're back. And this is what the chickie looks like.
That smells good.
Hey, Randy, grab one and hold it up.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's hot. Looks pretty good.
What's that bottom side look like? That's okay.
Yeah. Good looking stuff there.
All right. You're going to end up flipping it over anyway.
Okay.
So, what we got to do is we got to take this sauce.
You get to have all the fun.
I'll probably be the one to burn myself too before it's over with. Coat this chicken. And you know, you might be saying, well, that's mayonnaise. You can't do mayonnaise on hot food. Yeah, you can. All that mayonnaise is egg and oil.
So it won't spoil as soon as it gets hot?
Nope. It's just eggs and oil. Now, if it was to sit out in the sun
Like
for hours, yes, like potato salad or macaroni salad, that type of stuff, yeah, I wouldn't leave it. I'd have to have it in an ice bath or something. But just cooking it in the oven, you've probably seen my older video where
Bang, bang.
I used mayonnaise to make a chicken, or make a egg salad, used it to make a cheese sandwich, grilled cheese. I literally just put mayonnaise on the bread and
I'm hungry.
fried it. Do I?
It takes too long to cook. He's making me friggin' hungry.
I know. All right, flip them over.
Gotta be flip it now.
Just give them the rotation. Oh,
Do it just like that.
oh,
Hot!
oh,
Not.
oh. Oops.
Oop. Sorry, gang.
You have to hold that one. Why doesn't that one want to stay flat? Okay, we'll see. I think the original recipe, the intent was that the skewers would lay in the pan. Well,
And you put it
we're
balanced.
not doing it that way.
That's how you got it.
What if we were to turn them the other way?
Yeah, they won't hold it on the side.
What I was thinking was if we turned them lengthwise, like that. Do we have enough stick?
I don't know. You testing me?
Uh-huh.
That was all for it one time.
That's a little warm. Oh, so's that one.
I don't know why we just did that, Tom.
I don't either.
You said to try it.
Yeah. Did it?
I don't know what we're doing.
Just trying to get the flip side up.
Get the flip side up.
Uh-huh. Looks like it. Okay. All right, well,
You got enough basted on there?
I think so.
You're going to waste all the rest of that because you can't dip in it after it's been in, well, it's not really raw chicken. Is
No,
it?
it's not raw chicken. Oh, look, I found a bare spot. Right there.
Now what do we do?
Well, according to the directions, we put it back in the oven for 2 to 7 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 175.
We'll be right back.
Serve hot and use remaining sauce for dipping.
That's what we gotta do. See ya.
Hang in there. We'll be back. All right, we're back.
Looks pretty good too.
We got a bang. We're going out with a bang, not a whimper. Ow.
Be hot, buddy.
Ow. Ow. Oh, look at the smoke coming off of that. Your weapon. Your bowl. Your bowl.
Your bowl.
Your bowl. Your dipping sauce. You ready?
Well, we're ready for what?
We'll put it in your mouth.
1 o'clock. It's lunchtime, isn't it?
We're gonna put it in. Well, it's whatever time they watch it.
I'll put some dipping sauce in here so I don't double dip.
Okay.
Here, you want some?
Sure.
What do you think?
Without the dipping, it's pretty good. See what it is with the dipping. That chicken is banging, boy. What do you think?
Very good. I would think bang bang. You'd need a glass of milk or something there, but it's not. It's not really hot. It's good.
No, got a little heat to it. Not much. Nice blend of garlic and stuff. Yep. So, looks like Randy's going to keep on eating.
Isn't that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, no, wait a minute. You just taste it and say goodbye, don't you?
Yeah, usually.
Huh?
Anyway, it's been another episode of That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer.
Oh, there.
And this has been Bang Bang Chicken.
It's been a lot of fun.
If you like this video, please click on my little face.
Do it again sometime.
Do all this stuff. Bye.
See ya.